Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. When I was a kid, I used to love those caramel that when you pull on those caramel, they become longer, and when you eat them, you have the flavor of the butter and of course the sugar, the caramelization. I love to eat those caramel. So let me show you how to do that at home. I have some corn syrup here, 175 grams. And I'm going to mix that with 190 grams of sugar. And I'm going to put that on the stove and wait until it gets a caramel color. So my caramel is cooked now to about 118 Celsius or 240 Fahrenheit. And what I want to do is wait until it stops boiling, and then I'm going to be able to pour that into my frame. Cooking spray. So the caramel kind of cool down a little bit. As you can see, the frame come out very easily because the spray, the cooking spray that I put on. The quality of the caramel is always when you pull on it and they don't break and you have that long sugar string. That's another thing that brings me back to childhood. Okay? I hope that you're going to enjoy my caramel. I hope that helped.